So you guys know, modification never ends with Mr. Ziggy na. Now we're opening up his AMG. Zig, anong gagawin natin dito?
Install pure 900 turbos.
900 turbos.
Maxed out na yung stock turbos at 500.
Okay.
TT wheel, maxed out na yun.
So you're gonna put on pure 900. Wow. So, can you show us nasaan ba yung turbos? So yan si Ray. And Ray's gonna show us the new turbos. Ikaw, pakita mo Zig. Ano bang ano niyan? Yun, no? So what's the difference between this one and the stock?
So, bigger yung impellers niya, yung sa intake,
Okay.
pati yung sa exhaust.
Oo nga, no?
So, to move more air. So, kasi may limitation lang ng RPM yung mga turbo natin. So, pag na-reach yung max na yun, hanggang doon na lang yung kaya ibigay na hangin sa engine. So, with this, at lower RPMs, dapat mas madami pang hangin mabibigay niya.
900. Ang ganda nung ano niya, ha? Yung range niya. Ang ganda.
So, ito, this is the newer cast turbos of pure turbos. Before kasi may kailangan mo pa magbayad ng for charge, or you have to send out your stock turbos. So matagal, hassle, tsaka mas mahal.
Okay.
Ngayon, sa presyo ng mga cast models sila, you just have to pay for the turbos. Tapos yun na yun, mas mura, malaki. As in, makakasave ka mga around $2,500.
So you offer this service in the shop now.
Basta merong yung car mo merong cast model ng pure turbo.
Yeah.
You don't have to send or pay for the cord.
So kumbaga this is a bolt-on. And then you have to tune it.
Kasi yung exterior naman ito is pretty much the same as the stock turbos. So, pero may ibang parts na mas malaki.
Yeah.
Pero ito yung mga main na mas
Yeah,
malaki.
yung main, no? Wow. So what horsepower rating are you targeting with this setup?
Ayaw masabi, baka ma-jinx. So, hopefully, mabot tayo ng high 700s.
Wow.
Or something
My
like
gosh, guys.
Track.
This is gonna be crazy. So Zig is building his AMG GTS. Kabang-abang to. So if you guys want to upgrade your supercar or any other car, of course, message Zig. Good deals rin yan sa car parts. Kasi alam nyo naman, sa followers ko, you get good deals with me, and of course, you get good deals for my brothers. Yan o. Zig, imbitahan mo sila.
So, please visit our page on Instagram, Facebook, Fuji Fast Parts to check out what's happening in the shop.
You know, so
Pero hindi ako masyado nakakapag-update.
Zig's gonna be more active, guys, promise kasi kailangan niya ng cloud, di ba? So there,
Sa kalsada nila may
kalsada na makikita, guys, stay tuned.